Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed to make staying fresh on the go easier than ever. The Compact Personal Shower Kit to Go. If you're someone who travels often, hits the gym, or enjoys outdoor adventures, this could be your new hygiene companion. Let's explore whether this kit truly delivers on its promises. This compact kit is designed with convenience in mind, packed with all the essentials to help you freshen up wherever you are. Each pack contains a 0.34 conditioning shampoo, a single-use bar of soap, a compressed washcloth, a pair of foot covers, and a drying towel, all neatly tucked into a plastic Ziploc bag for easy carrying. The main selling point here is portability. It's compact enough to slide into any bag or backpack without taking up much space, making it perfect for those moments when you need a quick refresh. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or heading to the gym, this kit has been designed to provide a quick and hygienic shower experience when you're away from home. Now, let's talk about my real-world experience. I took this kit along on a recent trip and tried it out during a long hike. The shampoo, though small in size, provided a decent lather and did the job of cleaning my hair without leaving it feeling stripped. The soap bar was a nice addition. It lathered up quickly and left my skin feeling clean without drying it out. The foot covers were an interesting touch, comfortable, but I found them a bit unnecessary unless you're really concerned about foot hygiene after a long day. The compressed washcloth expanded quickly in water, which I appreciated. It was large enough to use for a full body wipe down. The drying towel was surprisingly absorbent for its size, and it dried my face and hands without any issue. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, this kit is extremely convenient. It's small, lightweight, and contains all the basics you need for a quick refresh. The individual components like the shampoo and soap are well-sized for single use, making it great for short trips or emergency hygiene. I also appreciate the versatility. The kit works well for both outdoor adventures and indoor situations like after a workout or a long flight. On the downside, the kit's small size means you might not have enough product if you're looking for a more thorough cleanse or longer-lasting freshness. The foot covers, while thoughtful, felt somewhat redundant unless you're in a very specific situation where you need them. The kit also doesn't include any skincare items like lotion, which might be a deal breaker for those who need a full body routine. In terms of value for money, the kit is priced reasonably for what it offers. You're not paying for a luxury experience, but it's a practical solution if you need a quick hygiene fix on the go. If you're a frequent traveler or hiker, the portability and convenience make it worth the price, especially considering the thoughtful inclusion of the drying towel and compressed washcloth. If you're comparing this to other similar products, you might find other compact hygiene kits that come with more products or larger sizes. However, many of them can be bulky or not as well suited for portability. This kit strikes a balance between functionality and size, so it's ideal if you're looking to save space without compromising on the essentials. As for build quality, everything is durable and well packaged. The plastic Ziploc bag holds up well, keeping everything secure and easily accessible. It's a solid option for those looking for a no-fuss hygiene solution while traveling. The brand's customer service is known to be responsive, but I didn't personally interact with them for this review. However, based on user feedback, they seem to handle inquiries well, which is always a plus when purchasing travel-oriented products. In conclusion, if you're someone who frequently finds themselves needing a quick refresh, this kit is a great option. It's compact, versatile, and functional, but it may not be enough if you're looking for a more extensive hygiene routine. It's perfect for travelers, gym goers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need to freshen up fast. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, the link to purchase the product can be found in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.